Welcome to the Guide to Betterment mobile app, a comprehensive tool designed to help you manage your finances and achieve your investment goals. To get started, download the Betterment app from the App Store or Google Play and create an account by providing some basic information. Once you have created your account, you will be prompted to set a financial goal, such as saving for retirement or a down payment on a house. This goal will help guide your investment strategy and provide a clear direction for your financial planning. You can choose from a variety of preset goals or create a custom goal that suits your needs. After setting your goal, you will be asked to provide some information about your financial situation, including your income, expenses, and existing investments. This information will help Betterment create a personalized investment plan tailored to your unique circumstances. The Betterment app offers a range of investment options, including a variety of low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds. These funds are diversified across different asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and real estate, to help minimize risk and maximize returns. One of the key features of the Betterment app is its automated investment management system. This system will periodically rebalance your portfolio to ensure that it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. This means that you can set it and forget it, knowing that your investments are being managed by a team of experts. In addition to investment management, the Betterment app also offers a range of tools and resources to help you manage your finances. These include budgeting and expense tracking, as well as retirement planning and savings goals. You can also use the app to track your progress and stay on top of your investments. To get the most out of the Betterment app, it is essential to set clear financial goals and to regularly review and adjust your investment plan. It is also important to take advantage of the app's automated investment management system and to use the range of tools and resources available to help you manage your finances. Overall, the Betterment mobile app is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals and secure your financial future. By following these steps and taking advantage of the app's features and resources, you can create a personalized investment plan and start working towards a brighter financial future.